Imagine a moment when your living room transforms into a private cinema, where every TV show, every movie, and every gaming moment comes to life in a way you have never experienced before. This is exactly what the Antteq AG50D1 UHD Smart TV with HDR offers. Let me take you on a journey through the exceptional features of this television that redefine the audiovisual experience at home. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This smart TV is the perfect choice for home entertainment enthusiasts seeking a high-quality visual and sound experience, as well as for those who desire an intelligent, user-friendly interface with access to a multitude of online content. At the heart of this revolution is a 4K UHD LED display technology that offers stunning resolution, bringing out every detail with incredible precision. Imagine watching your favorite movies with such deep clarity that each scene feels almost alive, immersing you in the heart of the action like never before. But that's not all. This smart TV is equipped with HDR technology, elevating your visual experience to a higher level. This feature allows for displaying brighter reflections, enhanced contrast, and a richer color palette, making each image deeper and more vibrant. Add to this the high-quality Dolby sound, and you are guaranteed to be completely immersed in an unprecedented audiovisual universe. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. This television is not only a marvel of visual and audio technology, it is also incredibly smart. Thanks to the integration of Android TV and Google Assistant, it offers you unlimited access to a world of content. With Netflix, Prime Video, Google Play, and YouTube pre-installed, you have an unlimited array of entertainment at your disposal. Imagine being able to watch movies, series, listen to music, or play games, all available directly on your smart TV. Simply comment with your voice saying, "Hey Google," and your television comes to life, ready to respond to your commands. But that's not all. The built-in Chromecast allows you to easily cast content from your phone, tablet, or computer directly to your smart TV. Whether it's to share vacation photos with your family, watch videos on a big screen, or even stream your favorite game, everything becomes possible and effortless. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. You can click on the link in the description to revolutionize your daily life by ordering it now. This smart TV has been designed to perfectly fit your modern lifestyle. With its 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and a multitude of other connections, you can easily connect all your gaming consoles, DVD players, or other devices without ever running out of space. Its compatibility also ensures a simple and secure installation, regardless of the layout of your living space. I now propose to summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. 4K UHD resolution with HDR offers exceptional image quality with richer colors and improved contrast. Advantage number 2. Integration of Android TV with Google Assistant. Easy access to a wide range of applications and online services, along with convenient voice control for navigating and searching for content. Advantage number 3. Built-in Chromecast. Allows for easy streaming of content from mobile devices or computers to the big screen. Advantage number 4. High-quality Dolby sound. Superior sound immersion for a complete audiovisual experience. Advantage number 5. Multiple connection ports. This facilitates the simultaneous connection of multiple devices. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Requires a stable internet connection to make the most of the smart features and streaming. A reliable and fast internet connection is essential. In summary, the Antteq AG50D Smart TV is not just a television. It is the gateway. An unprecedented, immersive experience where every piece of content comes to life in a way you never imagined. And the best part is, you can now join the thousands of satisfied people with this revolution. With over 2,200 reviews averaging 4.1 out of 5 stars, it is clear that those who chose this smart TV have found their happiness. Don't miss your chance to transform your living room into an unforgettable cinematic experience. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and discover the thousands of customer reviews from those who have already experienced this technological marvel. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.